You're sleeping. You hear your door creak, but it's locked. You convince yourself it's nothing until you feel a cold breath on your neck. That's when I woke up. I live alone. I checked the whole apartment. Nothing. Just the faint sound of someone whispering my name. The next night it happened again. This time I recorded it on my phone. The whisper was clear. I see you. I didn't know what to do. I set up cameras around the apartment. At 3:07 a.m., my phone buzzed. I froze. On the live feed, I saw a figure standing in my bedroom, staring at me, but the door was still locked. And now, I can hear it again, right behind me.